The proposed assembly for the inside of the antenna for the 4Runner. This is the gear part. Okay, so here's a plastic gear. We think that this metal washer, we're putting it here tentatively, thinking that's the best location for it. There's a spring. Put the spring on top of that, nest it. We have a spring retainer with a flange on it. Now this is keyed, so we're going to put it down so it fits over. And this goes on top. You can see again it has a matching key. So we could put it on there. Now this has 4 nipples on it. The nipples align with the 4 on this plastic cap. We'll put it down, move it into place, spin it until it nests. It's now nested. Now the hard part is that this you have to press against here so that you can access the top of this plastic gear and attach a C-clip here onto the gear so that the whole assembly is attached with the cap. And that's it.